Ah, movie monsters. Clearly for Japan, these are the stuff of nightmares. These monsters are designed to be huge, terrifying, and, well, obvious. These monsters have one key flaw, though. They don't exist. However, there is something all too real that we should be afraid of. Cancer can hit anyone at any time with no discretion. When someone is diagnosed with cancer, usually the first two things they ask are, what type of cancer is it, and how can they treat it? But before those questions can be answered, we have to trace cancer back to its origin, DNA mutations. Cancer is caused when DNA is replicated improperly, forming mutations. Though these mutations can actually be good for bacteria and microorganisms, they are almost always detrimental to humans. Here you can see a diagram comparing how a normal cell handles a mutation versus how a cancer cell handles them. The normal cell will check for mutations using protein 53 or P53 for short. If P53 detects a mutation, the cell will try to repair its genetic code. If the damage is irreparable, the cell enters apoptosis or cell suicide. A cancer cell has a different approach. When it encounters a mutation, P53 does not check the DNA, and the cell continues to mutate into malignancy. This is why P53 is known as the guardian of the genome. Nearly all cancers contain a mutation that negatively affects P53 by either mutating it or deleting it. The best treatment for cancer isn't chemotherapy or radiation. It's never having cancer to begin with. Lung cancer is the most common cancer among both sexes and can easily be avoided by not smoking and avoiding those who smoke. Men over 40 should receive an annual prostate exam, and women over 50 should receive an annual mammogram. To avoid skin cancers like melanomas, people should avoid overexposure to the sun. Women should check for lumps or other abnormalities by performing home exams.